Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain how I turned a math project into an engineering project, which wasn't too hard because engineering basically is math. This project was an end-of-the-year passion project where we got to choose an area of math that we haven't studied in class and make a presentation on it. The teacher said not to put too much time into it, don't stress over it because there's finals and other end-of-the-year projects going on. Not me. I knew that this project was happening 2 months earlier, so I asked for the rubric and started earlier. I really like engineering, so if there's any opportunity for me to do it, I'd do it. I started by using Tinkercad, which wasn't the best idea because Tinkercad is more for easy, quick prints or easy, quick designs that you can make in a day maybe. And Fusion 360 is for designs that require a lot of parts and a lot of time and effort into it. I was really excited to start, but first I needed a topic. I've been taking an outside of school math class every Thursday for an hour and a half to get 2 hours and a half of homework every week since the beginning of 8th grade. We've been covering the subject that's 1 year ahead of us, so I'll be prepared for high school next year. So I decided to do a topic from that class so I could focus on the engineering part. My topic was conic sections. Now, I focused on parabolas because of their use in flashlights. Basically, every ray that originates from the focus and hits anywhere on the parabola goes in the direction that the parabola opens up to. So if you have the light source in that magic spot, the light touches the parabola, will focus on one area. Because not all of the light touches the parabola, flashlights do have a dim outer ring around the central light. And yes, I did write that. For this project, I used Fusion 360 to make a unique flashlight that stood out. As I've said before, Tinkercad is really for small basic parts that you can make in maybe a day, and Fusion 360 is for more complicated parts, such as the flashlight that I made, or maybe even the language arts project. I didn't know about Fusion 360 at the time, but if I did, I would most likely have used that. So for this project, I made this. It's a flashlight, and it's supposed to turn on when you pull the cap up. There's a paper clip in the back that's connected to the other side of the battery, and it's connected to the cap of the flashlight. So when you pull it up and down, it connects and disconnects to the light. It doesn't stick because I thought it would be very easy to just glue a piece of foam on and adjust it if I needed it to. But I know now that if you need something in the design, just design it into the CAD instead of waiting until it's all done and it's the morning before and it's 6:30 and the bus comes at 7. So this runs on 2 AA batteries and has 4 legs to make a quad pod in case you need some extra height. You just take these off, turn them around, and stick them back in. And there you go. This was very good for learning how to use Fusion 360. I knew how it worked before because of my tests and the Ford's Theater model, but this really solidified my skills. So now I have all the necessary knowledge that I need to make these 3D printed rockets. I'm super excited for them. In the next video, I'm finally gonna start. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.